I love catching fish. I once caught a fish this size. No, it was this size. No, it was this size. Come on, let's go catch some fish.
We need food to catch the fish.
Ah, food for the fish.
We need corn.
Wait here. Oh. The fish will love this.
That's popcorn. We need corn.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. I caught a fish! Ooh.
What about you, Finny?
Hey!
Finny caught a fish!
Well done, Finian.
When we got back, we let the fish return home to the river.